Hello, my name is Mike from The Automotive Approach. Today we're going to be taking on a quick video tour of our Suzuki Splash. So this is our Suzuki Splash. It's a 58 plate, 1.2 petrol, 5-speed manual, and it's only covered 43,000 miles from new. Whilst in our care, it's had a fresh MOT, full of 102-point independent mechanical inspection, and we've also topped up the aircon, making it ice cold inside. It's also got a whopping 11 service stamps in the service book, along with paperwork. Got nice alloys on the car as well. Tyres are all in good condition. It's been a very well looked after motor. Inside, got steering wheel controls, an aftermarket Kenwood stereo unit, which is DAB radio, AM, FM radio, CAD player, Bluetooth connectivity for phone calls and music, and also aux input. As you can see there, 5-speed manual box, armrest, steering wheel controls which still work with the aftermarket radio, electric windows in the front, and a cool little sporty rev counter there just on the dash. Really good little fun car to drive. Reasonable amount of room in the back. Certainly not bad for a car of this size. Same with the boot, decent size for the sort of motor, small little hatchback. Rear seats do fold down, so if you do need that extra little bit of room, quite handy. All in all, a cracking motor. It's also got rear parking sensors. Nice low mileage, well looked after. A stunning colour as well, nice sort of turquoisey blue. If you have any more questions or queries, please get in touch.